There. I'm wondering if you want to download the WanderPonder freebie trip tip cards, but you're just unsure of what the process would be like and what it will require of you. So I get it. I don't have a lot of time and I don't have time to waste. So I thought, let me just walk you through the process, and that might help you feel reassured, like, I think I can do this. This is manageable. I sure hope so. All right, well, come on. Let's go see what it's going to take to get you ready for your trip and be prepared for when big emotions roll in on this trip. Okay, here we go. So I've clicked the link in bio, and I entered in my name and my email address. I click submit. Easy enough. Download your guide here. Done. There it is, a little welcome letter from me. I do have some linked items that you could buy, and I just have it there easy peasy ready for you from Amazon, how to use the cards, and then there they are, the easy, beautiful digital version. So I click print, and voila, here it is, live and in person and on paper. Okay, so I want to show you that it prints out the way I have it set up is it's 2 cards per 8.5 by 11. So I want to show you what to do next. So I either use scissors, or you could use paper cutting process that you enjoy. So I've cut them out. I cut just inside, if you'll notice, just inside the dotted line. I like to leave a little white border around the edge. Now I did not cut in the middle. Notice that I left the middle because if you notice, there's a really faint word that says fold here. And so you're going to fold these in half, and that makes a front and a back of the card. Now, I recommend laminating just to make them last longer, but like literally, if you just learned of these and you were headed out the door like now, then print and go. You can always laminate them later. So do not let the thought that you have to have them laminated keep you from using these and printing them. Okay, so remember how I said that the items were hyperlinked if you wanted to use them. So on your digital welcome letter, those underlined words are hyperlinked. So these are the laminating sheets that I have hyperlinked. It's like $3 for 25, so maybe it's a little more than $3. So you could make 2 sets of these with the link that I gave you. So you just open it and lay it inside, and then I have, okay, do any of you love laminators as much as I do? Oh, they're magic to me. So this is my laminator. I just put it in, and it's like watching a turtle cross the road. And I want to show you what comes out the other side. So here is an example. And there's the front and the back because we folded it over where the little word fold is. And there it comes. Now I wanted to show you, I have here, these are what I linked. You can use string, yarn, a rubber band. Like, you don't have to use these, but I just know sometimes for me it's like, just make it super easy for me. So there it is. Comes out ready and beautiful. These are the laminator pouches. Okay, here is the hole punch. So the next thing we do is just hole punch a little hole and do that for each one. It takes just a few minutes. and then however you want to bind them together. And you are ready to go. Success.